Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab A1 filament stuck in extruder, clear jams and clogs fast. Fix 1. Remove the hot end and front cover. Unload or cut the filament above the extruder if it cannot be removed normally. Then gently pull off the tool head front faceplate to access the extruder. Remove the silicone sock from the hot end and release the hot end retaining clip and carefully pull the hot end/nozzle assembly out of the tool head. Fix 2. Remove the filament hub. Locate the filament hub on top of the tool head and press the release tab to unlock it. Using a 2.0 mm Allen H2.0 wrench, remove the two mounting screws, then carefully lift the filament hub away while avoiding strain or damage to the black FPC ribbon cable. Fix 3. Clear the extruder jam. Remove the four screws securing the extruder front cover with the H2.0 Allen wrench. Lift off the front cover to expose the drive gears and remove any filament fragments, plastic dust, or debris trapped between the drive gear and idler gear using tweezers or a cleaning pin. If a broken piece of filament is stuck inside the upper PTFE tube, disconnect the Bowden/PTFE tube and push the filament out from the opposite end using a long piece of rigid filament or wire. Fix 4. Reassemble the extruder. Reinstall the extruder front cover and tighten the four screws evenly. Refit the filament hub, ensuring the alignment tabs are correctly positioned before pressing it into place until it clicks. Then reinstall the hot end and lock it with the retaining clip. Slide the silicone sock back over the hot end and snap the front faceplate back onto the tool head until it is fully seated. Fix 5. Test the printer. Reload the filament through the printer's load filament function and extrude a small amount of filament to verify smooth feeding. Run the printer's automatic calibration before starting your next print to ensure the extruder is operating correctly. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.